and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a project on a pocket code. So guys, today is Holi. Happy Holi. And if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it and like video. And in this we are going to make a fruit game. The game is catch the fruit. So there is one boy. So we'll having that ball and we have to catch the fruit, and here I have taken this ball and you can take any character, and we need to add a arrow. We'll take line and make arrow, and so we'll fill now. So apply color and orange, and now okay, and here. So in this we'll take looks and set size to 60%. Let's see now. Okay, it's fine, and we'll add like this also in for left. So like this, like this, and fill color. So first we'll make proper arrow. And now we'll fill with orange like this. Okay. Now as same, set size to like this, are these characters, and like this we'll rename this first as right, and we'll rename this as left, like this. We'll take it, and here we'll add a script for boy. So first we'll go in right, and then when tapped we need, not when tapped, and broadcast message. So we'll take new, and R means right, and in boy we'll take when receive R. We need to change X by 50, and from here we need if no edge bounce, and after that in left also same. We go in when tapped, broadcast message, and here new L, and in boy same, when you receive L, change X by -50, and this and after that we need in set rotation style left to right only. Now we will add our fruits. So we'll add apple and melon. So if you are watching video till now, so like it and share with your friends. So we'll take first apple, and place here and go and set size. Okay, and we'll add melon, watermelon,
A few moments later.
added apple and melon. So first we'll go in apple and we'll take from control forever loop, and after that motions place at and edit the formula, and I think so in functions we get random, so here we'll take minus 500 and here 500. So after that we'll take repeat, so we'll take repeat 10 times. So in 10 we'll add 100 and change y by minus 10. So like this it will come down, and we can move our character also as I am clicking on arrows. So like this it will come, and same this we will pack this and in our melon code backpack, and so same like this we'll place here. Okay, like this it will be full. So now our 85% work is done. So we'll go in boy now and we'll take forever loop and we'll set as place at k niche, and we'll take if true, then we'll add this here. Object touches apple is true, then go in looks and say for second got an apple, will write, and for 3 seconds. Same as here we'll take if true, then so If true, then we'll take it. Say after say so, same as say hello to them, and here also objective dashes actor and melon will take and got an apple. And apple for 3 seconds. So let's see now. Okay, so guys, our game is ready. So if you liked it, like, share and subscribe and share with your friends. And once again, happy Holi to you and your family. Till then, bye bye.